Hey guys, we're going to talk about sorting by two attributes. All right, so here we have a Venn diagram and we have yellow and purple. Yellow and purple. And so we're going to put all of the objects, even if they don't look alike, that are yellow in this side, and then anything that's purple we're going to put in this side, and anything that's any other color or shape or whatever is going to go right here. All right, so let's look for the purple things. This is purple. This is purple. This is purple. This is purple. And this is purple. Now, all of these things are not the same shape or size, but they're all purple. All right, so now let's look for yellow things. This is yellow. And this is yellow. Okay, and so now we still have some objects left over. Let's drag these leftover objects in the middle. All right, so even within the purple objects, we have squares. All of these three are squares, and they are purple. So they both have two attributes that are the same. Then we also have circles. They have two attributes that are the same. They're circles and they're purple. Over here, we have two circles that are the same. They're both yellow and they're both circles. So that makes them having two attributes that are alike. So we have sorted these objects. It's just another trick for our mind to learn how to see objects and see their similarities.